Routing your location if you don't mind.
Cover going out.
Fuck you!
I'm good. Hey, you would love to heal me right now.
Reloading. Light carriers down. Full cap. Where are you?
What? What the fuck?
Mark 2.
What?
There.
Bad news.
Watch them run.
Good news. Watch.
Report
Excuse me! Oh boy.
Hit raid for 130.
I panicked. Okay, wait. I gotta hunt.
Last player standing.
What the fuck? What?
Shadows.
Are they going around? He teleport.
They're on site. Okay, they're not gonna expect this.
You will not kill my ally.
You ain't from Michigan if you've never seen this one. Could use your E if you wanna.
Oh, I can reuse it?
Yeah.
Get fucked, idiot. Oh. Oh.
Why?
Oh.
Major scale penguin. You got this. You got this! You're so toxic. You better not get stabbed to death. Maybe I don't know what
you
you're
don't
gonna
know
do. I
what
thought I
I'm
did.
gonna do. You don't.
I really thought I did, and now I'm questioning.
Alright.
Got an Aries.
Who's next?
Done.
Cover going out.
No, I'm not done.
Fuck you.
Ain't nothing but a heartache.
Creeper.
Oh man.
Watch your eyes! This is like literally the best plan I've ever had in my life. And I've had a lot. I've had a lot of good plans before. What the hell is happening?
I think I'd be comfortable sharing mine if we got some from yeah. Innocent, go first.
Oh, like,
That's a good one. That's a
like
good
on
one.
a Lego or
She's like sharpening her knife. She's like, shing, shing. I'm gonna cut him. Shing, shing. I'm gonna cut him so much. I'm gonna cut him deep. Shing. Are y'all good
Can you
there?
hear me?
Yes.
Sapphire?
Yes, we can hear
I'll
you.
kill you violently
God.
with a bloodied knife.
That's hot. But I'm probably gonna get HIV.
Oh, what?
Ooh, oh no way!
Taken out.
Nice.
Got this.
I'm out of here.
What are you doing? What the hell is that?
Sheesh!
A skill check. I'm
Let's
reading
go,
chat
Alex.
very
We're done.
adamantly right now.
No!
So I barely can't get screen.
Yeah, I just had a premonition.
I don't need to know, I don't need
Look
to
at how
know.
fast
We're
Josh
gonna-
is running in. He wants to blow that.
Okay, okay. You are to be a good
The
man.
wind's really picking up.
Keep going, gotta keep going.
Is it tornado season?
You're 80.
What? I'm.
One enemy remaining.
I planted B if you want a hint.
But if you really have to sleep, go to sleep.
This is why all your viewers have bad sleep schedules. Is you're like, actually, stay on the stream, make bad decisions. Get away from me!
Last night.
Give Sage spite. That's rude.
Why is everyone this terrified?
La pistola, please.
Where the fuck?
You dumbass! Oh, I love you, Penguin. You're so. She was right in front of you. The kill was right there. I'm not playing as fucking Neon. I keep forgetting. I've been playing as Neon like only for so long now that I keep thinking I'm playing as her.
Cover going out.
This poor man. I'm sorry, your
Wolf drop
average
7.
COD enjoyer is an asshole. Have you not met that community?
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Who's next?
You got it, Josh. Just ult, just
Ready?
ult. You got it.
Jesus Christ!
He's just Josh. He's just distracting you. We can't hurt you.
That was so fucking. No. No.
Yeah.
Gotta go.
Oh.
One enemy remaining.
That was fucking
Do it. Go. 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 Go.
We're.